Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 6i and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device, so actually how to add it or remove it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom in order to find users and accounts. Now let's tap on add account, choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously, you can remove it whenever you want to, just tap on it. Tap on this to that icon in the right upper corner, and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it actually immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Realme 6i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.